September 9th, Dos Gringos food cart construction progress. Basically what I did tonight was I worked on the display cabinet. Got the front plexiglass frame and essentially the part of the carcass for the display case completed. So now what I got to do is cut out the frame for the door panel side, and then go ahead and put on the top, and then the 2-inch trim pieces around the front and the back. I got to get the plexiglass piece painted on the inside, laminated on the outside. Tomorrow we should be getting the fridge freezer, so I can get that opening finalized, and then get the water tank plumbing completed from the upper tower there. And that should be it for hopefully that. Then I'll have to figure out how to put the batteries in the thing, but getting closer. I know I say that every day, but I guess every little bit counts, right? That's it for today.